Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to record in Audacity while a track is playing. This is a useful feature for adding new audio to an existing track. Let's get started. First, open Audacity and load the track you want to play while recording. To do this, go to File, then Open, and select your audio file. Now, let's see what happens if you just hit the record button. When you press the regular record button, it starts recording on a new track, but the existing track does not play. You can see the new recording, but it doesn't include the background track. To record while the track is playing, you need to start from the beginning of your track. Click the back button or move the playhead to the start of your track. Next, instead of just hitting the record button, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then press the R key. This starts recording a new track while the original track plays in the background. You will see the new recording track being created below the original track, and you'll hear the original track playing. Continue recording as needed. When you're done, press the stop button to end the recording. That's it. Now you know how to record in Audacity while a track is playing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.